Okay, I'm just going to show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Audi Q7. So from any screen here, you can, if you click setup there, you've got time, setup, settings in the top right hand corner. So that corresponds to that button there, and then you've got Bluetooth in the bottom right hand corner, which corresponds to this button. So we'll click Bluetooth, and there you see we can dial up and down. Bluetooth, you see that's on. If you're having any trouble setting, make sure, actually I'll leave that back. If you're having any trouble, make sure that there's a tick next to on. So navigate down to bonded devices, click on bonded devices. You see there, that's my phone there. So if I click on my phone, you've got the option to delete device. Click delete device. Are you sure you want to delete the device? It's gone to no. Turn the selector onto yes, delete. That's it.